That's how they be, don't it?
Boy, you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Yaya. So today we have
Boy, Ruheart, one and only, find another like me, your phone.
In my section, I be running things.
Niggas ain't running shit, but some dry lips. I can drive the route blindfolded, this the ninth trip. 100 in the rental, couple guns and some bank slips. She ate deep the whole ride, and now we can't kiss. I'm a shooter and a lover, name a nigga like me, boy, I love.
so what do we do?
Cheeseburger egg rolls for the first time. It's my first time.
I made these before, but we gonna see what you can do in the kitchen. You know how to cook?
Yeah.
Alright,
This gonna be kind of easy.
we gonna see. We'll see. So also when we're cooking, we're gonna be answering some questions. Some that y'all asked and also some that I have. So ready?
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta wash my hands. You too.
Yeah. No, you wash your hands, don't wash your hands. Don't be cooking and not washing your hands, like you gotta. Alright, y'all, so first we're gonna put the oil in the pan and then what are you gonna do?
And then we're gonna put the onions in the pan. So really, like,
Wait, you can let it get hot.
know what I'm saying? You got me looking like a rookie on camera. I'm not a rookie.
Alright, so who is Ruheart? Like, where did you come from? Like, what are you about? Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. And I'm out here in motherfucking Kansas City putting it down. Man, I'm about that money. Can't do shit without that money. Just like that money about my hustle, I'm about my paper. I'm about that beach now. I'm on some whole lot of paper shit, bro. Who is Yaya?
The biggest, you know. No, I'm playing. But, I just moved to Kansas City 2 years ago. I come from Kansas, and yeah, I be popping my shit.
You like it there?
It's cool. I fuck with Kansas. How about you, man?
Same, no, it's cool. I fuck with Kansas City. I got some people out here.
You plan on, like, staying in Kansas City, or?
Nah, really, I'm gonna get up out of here. So,
You know where you're going, or are you still trying to figure that out?
I'm looking at like Atlanta and Houston.
Okay.
You know where you going?
I'm definitely going to Houston. Yeah, definitely.
Houston got a little warm.
Yeah, you can put it
Okay. Rice Krispie treats. So I ain't never made no egg roll. I eat them, John, though.
What's your favorite?
You said what?
What's your favorite egg roll? Like, what kind of egg roll have you had? Like, from the Chinese?
Chinese egg roll. I had a soul food egg roll. And then Philly cheesesteak egg roll. Philly cheesesteak probably my favorite. I love Philly cheesesteak and wings.
What's your favorite flavor?
Hot lemon pepper. I was just in Atlanta. I just had some shit called Sanchez. It was like a buffalo teriyaki with lemon pepper sprinkle on it. That shit was so good. Then they had like a hot bird or something. It was like buffalo barbecue with lemon pepper sprinkle. I ain't tried it. I wanted to.
Where was it from?
I was in Atlanta at
You don't remember the place?
J.R. Creek. They so fucking good.
And we also use ground turkey instead of beef.
You don't eat beef?
No, I don't eat pork. No red meat.
You eat seafood?
I do eat seafood. I love seafood. You like seafood?
Yeah, I ain't picky. It really ain't a lot of shit I don't eat. They need pink as fuck.
Yeah, because it's turkey. You gotta let it cook. You don't season it too. Down to the ground.
I thought I told you to.
No, you don't season it. Go ahead.
how they be, don't it? Cayenne pepper. Onion powder. What do you think? Cinnamon water? You gotta break these tongues out. We got some bars and plates. We got people in the background too, y'all.
Yeah.
Complete seasoning from Badia. What is this?
It's complete seasoning.
What that mean?
It's complete.
I ain't never had incomplete seasoning. Black pepper.
Just a little bit.
Seasoning salt. On God, you gotta put seasoning salt on everything you cook.
Alright, so let's go ahead.
Why is boiled?
Cause it don't got fat. You just let it come together.
What's funny? I don't like that, baby.
Alright, so like, what made you start rapping?
My nigga Keyshawn, like he was rapping and shit before he had died. So then, this really wanted me to rap, right? And then like me and my partners, we was like high as fuck one day. We was kicking shit, and we was like playing some beats off the PlayStation shit, recording on the phone. And I kept listening to it. I was sending it to a few people. We was bored as hell one day. We ain't had shit to do. My nigga cousin knew somebody with like an in-home studio, so we had went and fucked with him. And we had went and fucked with him. And then really from that day forward, like we dropped it. We had dropped just the audio. God, we had like 2 cans a week in high school in like 11th grade. So there was something. No audio. No video, no promotion, no nothing. Everybody was fucking with it.
What y'all saying?
Talk up.
You see, you put hella slap your
Yeah,
mouth.
it's just good. He know what he's doing. Don't too much.
How much is this going to work? Cayenne?
However you feel.
I don't know.
Yeah, just season shit. Good. Alright.
Yeah, you don't want to use too
Remember
much
which one
shit.
you use?
Yeah, I'm saying that.
He might know a little something. A little bit.
I be in the kitchen though.
What you know how to cook?
Chicken.
Chicken?
I can make some lamb chops, burgers.
Remember he's saying this y'all, so we gonna have to eat something.
I can't make like no meal with no sides.
That's what it is, the size.
I make barbecue. I do that shit for a living. That's why I said I'm a fool on the grill.
Okay. You wanna talk about like what you do as far as food?
Yeah, so boom, right? Me and Papa got a barbecue food truck. Artist hometown sausage and barbecue, the big blue and yellow motherfucker you probably seen. But shit, we specialize in sausage, so we make our own sausage, like it's all beef. Hot them out. Then we got like jack burgers, that's just a sausage burger. We got real beef, real pork ribs, ham sandwich, beef brisket sandwich, wings, goddamn it, baked beans, potato salad, coleslaw, you know. I can make some rotel. Any nigga better know how to make some rotel. Wait, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh, what's going on? Are you cooking?
Are you cooking?
Welcome to Blues Clues, guys. And
Rules Clues.
Rules Clues, I'm crying. I'm Boogie. I guess these niggas making egg rolls and I'm supposed to see if they good or not.
And then he like helping with the angles and shit.
I'm not gonna lie. He tore that bitch up with this motherfucker right here. But we gonna see him.
He helping with the angles. That don't sponsor by Dunn.
They gonna sue your ass. You about to hit him with the gun, you about to push him like that.
Shut up.
With a little bit of this right quick. It's gonna cook off. You can add a little bit of liquor to your shit. It's gonna cook right off. You know.
That nigga Bell boozing in there, motherfucker. Hey, everything cook with love.
Alright.
That's the first step in the kitchen. My nigga Bino had asked, he like, when you gonna get married like CTV Bino? I'll tell you something, my nigga. You very advanced for your age, you know what I'm saying? We like early 20s, you know what I'm saying? Like, but then you older than me, you ain't no more than about 25. You very advanced, bro. More power to you, keep living. Right now, my agenda, the way my schedule's set up in my life, guy, I ain't got no time for that right now. Like, but it's coming though. I believe in marriage.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, do you want to get married? Like, do you want to get married?
Yeah, I can see myself. I believe in marriage for sure. I can see myself in marriage for sure. Me, wife, I don't want no 2-3 baby mamas.
Do you have kids?
No kids. I ain't got no kids right now. I don't want no 2-3 baby mamas. I don't want my kids growing up how I did, over here at mama's house, going to dad, how these rules go, these rules don't.
What's your current relationship status?
Say, what's the
You don't got no girlfriend?
Nah.
Alright.
What's your fucking status, nigga?
Yeah, what's your
What's your status?
so distinctive? You had that before? Okay.
Look like turkey. This is food, man. Let me tell you another thing too. When you see this, you gotta use that right wrist, not the left. Right wrist, like that. Then you hit this motherfucker with the side. This that drizzle.
Okay, so like, who's your biggest music influence? Artist.
Motherfucking Cheeky. Cheeky. Michael Jackson. And goddamn Cwyy. Cheeky, Michael Jackson, and then I don't know. That's it. My other favorite artist would be Kodak. Like Michael Jackson, Cheeky, and Kodak is my favorite artist. But like I said, like as far as musical influence, it'll be. But I don't rap. I got my own style.
Okay. How long you been rapping?
7 years. I'm gonna be cracking the egg. All right, y'all. Why am I spinning? How you spin it? The niggas that been in home do it all the time.
Like that?
See, I don't want to have it then. I can put my application in.
How's it smelling?
Good. I saw it look bad ass look here. Good.
So, since you're talking about being a dinosaur kid, was your dinosaur kid? Like, how was your
Hell
childhood?
yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. Like, I was just doing shit. I was so bad. I used to lie. I used to steal. Everybody stole though. Like, I hate a thief. I can't stand no thief now. But I still be stealing from the stores. I don't steal from people though. Like, I steal from the store.
I never
But like,
but
I hate a thief.
Walmart?
Bro, we all out here trying to do
Say
shit.
less.
Bro, go steal from the rich folks, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't steal from me, bro. We in the same position. Nigga ain't none of us got shit, to be honest, you know? Whatever the fuck we got, we ain't got shit, nigga. Don't take it, but
I got a little something. Alright, so now we're gonna like assemble a little bit. We got our meat, cheese, egg wash. So
why is it
I'm
called
gonna show the
egg wash?
recipe. That's why. That's just what it's called. I don't really know the science behind it. Alright. Follow me.
What's up with that?
Cheese all through the bitch.
Damn, you know, it feels like
No, I don't want to stuff it too much because it's going
that is an egg roll on the road like a
Yeah,
black.
it's not a
That's what I'm
burrito.
saying. They don't feel like you kind of like Taco Bell.
Whatever. Alright, you watching it?
This
You just roll it like this, and then you put a egg wash on there. No.
Taco Bell be on bullshit. That commercials be out.
Alright, this ain't Taco Bell. This is Yaya. This is you. You know?
Respect.
And just like that. You got it? What the hell? Yeah. Slide that to the side real quick.
What the fuck? What you got it on? You got that motherfucker on number 6.
Yeah, it had to get hot real quick. We didn't have no time to waste. Alright. Now you, Peter.
Shout out my nigga Lil John, no time to waste. That's a daily saying. We have no time to waste.
You gotta tell me what you're doing though.
Cheese. Oh, we could have had like lettuce and tomato and shit. How you did?
So you take the 2 corners, right and left, and then fold them on top.
Like that?
And then take this side, and you want to tuck everything like a wood, you know. And then roll a little bit, and you can put some egg wash on
Oh,
it.
shit.
Okay, look at you.
I'm saying, oh shit, I feel like I'm struggling.
You got it. Now just roll that shit up.
You put the weed in the coconut and light this shit up. You don't know nothing about that.
No, I really don't.
Make the job a little tighter. Boom. Egg wash, y'all. Open it.
You got it. Let's go. Alright, so we're just going to burn it.
Black people want a mile away. You said what?
What's your dream vacation?
Dream vacation. I want to go somewhere like Brazil. My birthday, I want to go like Jamaica, Brazil.
Okay.
Jamaica cool. I ain't no dream vacation. That's somewhere I want to go though. But like, yeah. I keep seeing in Thailand shit. I ain't allowed. I'm fucking with that. I'm in the kitchen being busy with Montclair on the white one. You get outside?
Yeah.
I've seen you a couple times.
You see me? Where you see me? I think I seen you too though.
You know what I'm saying? I be everywhere. Don't ask me where. I be everywhere.
My bad.
You just rolled that up fast as hell. You can roll the wood.
Yeah.
So,
How do you think you roll my woods? Me. I don't even know. Ain't bearings, you know?
what she say?
Where'd you get your flow from? Like,
Just where I'm from. Like, my flow. I got a southern flow.
yeah, definitely. You got a heavy accent for sure.
I be thinking my accent be going away. It do a little bit, like, it ain't as strong as everybody else. This enough? Or a little bit more?
A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Throw some cheese.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I can't lift my ass up all the way though. I don't want to sound like y'all.
Y'all is crazy. Where the fuck is y'all?
Y'all, Kansas City,
I'm not from here.
Kansas, Missouri.
Yeah, I'll take Kansas. That's where I'm from. Missouri. No.
I gotta stand up, be careful. Okay. I got me one.
Yeah, these is yeah.
Nah, this one right
Yeah,
here.
they going.
This one right here. This shit right here, nigga. This rap, you seen?
No, I don't rap. I'll hop on the song though, you know. I'm finna get in this too, like. Keep taking it.
Yeah.
Stay
What you gonna
tuned.
do?
Huh?
What you gonna do?
I
Rap?
don't know that. You're gonna see when I get there.
It's a diss track.
Yeah.
This track,
I'm
you
just
got
gonna
one
talk
ready?
Huh?
You got this track ready already?
Freestyle.
Don't worry.
Somebody mad when you fucked up?
Just let me know when to be there, where to be, and
Do I really going or that's another arrow?
Alright, what's the thing you like the most about being a rapper and thing you like least about being a rapper?
Most, I love the art of it. Like, I love music itself. Like, the whole process of making a song, the end effect, the feeling, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can deliver real messages and emotions through songs. What I like least? I don't like, you don't really get no privacy. Whether you were like a rapper or a celebrity, period, like when you in that spotlight, you don't get no privacy. Like anything you do, you can sneeze through or booger fly across the room, like you all on camera, you know what I'm saying? Blog close to you and shit. Motherfuckers be in your business, they be like, oh,
You can't do shit.
so
like,
so and so unfollowed each other on Instagram. Why the fuck is y'all looking through my
Right.
photos?
not for real. And motherfuckers be putting two and two together too much. Like, it's scary, honestly. Like, how would you? Yeah. Should be crazy.
And I hate when folks be feeling entitled to shit.
Who's somebody that you wanted to collab with that you haven't? Female and male. You gotta get one female and one male.
Female, I want to get a song again with Lakia.
Ruheart.
Alright, and then male.
Who?
Nah, not say it then. Male, I always say, you know what I'm saying, I blow up and shit, I gotta get a song with like Chief Keep It Kodak. If I don't do that, I ain't did shit. But I ain't gonna say them because I already used them. Chief Keep It Kodak.
Oh.
But I ain't gonna say them because I already lay with them as my favorite. So somebody I wanna get a feature with that I ain't check, I say like Fat, YTV Fat.
Okay. I think we get our big one. This is gonna be good.
That shit be good.
The sauce.
How you make this?
You can try it if you need to. But it's like all the shit you would put on a burger. Yeah.
Damn, it's good.
Okay.
Damn, why you just made some shit? What is this?
Mayo. I didn't put the ranch in it though, but mayo.
I showed him say you put ranch in there. It tastes good like that.
Mm-mm. It was mayo, mustard, ketchup, and relish. You know, I'm just like, I didn't go too crazy. What you looking at?
I'm just looking at him like, damn.
Right. Alright, ready?
I'm like egg rolls with beef.
Hey, you want to take a shot?
Boom. I ain't love what you put that foot in these motherfuckers.
Where you Where you try? Which one? It's gonna be hard.
Motherfucker eating hot as fuck. Damn.
Yeah. I'm gonna break it. This shit is hot.
It's hot.
It's bad.
I feel it on my finger.
Y'all don't come try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, without this. Like this. Oh.
That motherfucker is good. You see how long it took me to say something? I just nodded my head and stared at this motherfucker. Shit. I'm gonna make you when I get home. Not tonight. I don't need a trophy, but I got some cheese, yo.
Hey y'all, I really just came for moral support, so.
Hey, hold on.
Ooh, this shit hot.
Gotta get up in the camera with this one, though.
Big Mac.
Just like, ooh.
Big Mac.
Shit don't take long. It's easy to make. My nigga say it tastes like a Big Mac. No, I feel them though. Like these motherfuckers good, I swear to God. She gave me with the sauce. This is right there, fool, the Big Mac.
That's why
That's
I
Big Mac
on
sauce.
my mom.
Where is that a Big Mac? Damn.
I've never had a Big Mac before.
Big Mac egg rolls. What you talking about?
How you feeling about it? Go ahead and get in the camera. Alright, y'all, so thank y'all for watching. Do you want to shout yourself out on social media?
So you can find me on Instagram, Ruheart_1SA, Facebook, YG Ruheart, and I'm on YouTube and all streaming platforms as Ruheart. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
This shit was beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Alright, y'all.
But I'll be on it always, always.